Fixer. Loosely translated. Oh, Dithejane does well. Opportunity now for TS Galaxy. Takes a strike. Schroeder! Off the crossbar. Into the back. He's first of the season. Cheaper United in Buffalo City Stadium. Oh, got it lovely onto Dithejane. Lovely ball to Maduna. Back to Dithejane. Looking to try and whip one into the box. Looking to head. The Rockets coming. Looking to try and launch. Schroeder! Oh, delightful ball played. Taking it easy. Into the last minute of regulation time. Dithejane gets one into the box. Taking shot again, Dithejane. Can he go long? Maduna. Dithejane. Oh, does well. That's the better of Kamis. Three-man defense. Let's Maduna. Looking for Dithejane. He's on a hat trick, is Dithejane. He's on a hat trick, is Dithejane. Dithejane of his career. Gets the first hat trick of the 25-26 season is Puso Dithejane. Mistake defensively from Shondlovu. And the Cal.
Here is the Dithejane. Nice ball! Crossbar to the rescue! Oh no!
He squeezed it through brilliantly here for Dithejane. Lovely feet.
Dithejane, who's been very, very instrumental as well. They're still initiating that attack, but look at where Dithejane finds himself. Instead of lingering there, he finds space, gets inside the box, he opens his body, that dink there. Delicate finish indeed.
Ended. Nothing wrong with the challenge. Kumara and Zindoga has found Dithejane here. Dithejane! Oh, he's played it to Keita.
Look at the unfortunate part for him, Phillips there, slipping there. Dithejane could have went with another dink as well because Ngobo was advancing, but he finds Keita at the back post.
And he begs for himself.
Tricky. But his recovery there, that's super. Dithejane, he set it up nicely. Felase!
Felase. Laying it off for Dithejane. Puts in the cross. And it's...
This side have been really impressive on the road this season. They've got 7 points on the road, which is the third highest in the league. Only Skukune and Sundowns have 1 more points on the road. Zindonga! Dithejane thought about a shot, but going to the back post, and the pressure has finally told as Galaxy make the breakthrough. Now Dithejane clips one into the box, looking for the same kind of routine away. Now they can break here. Makesi with Tsepo Masheo. Dithejane has tracked him all the way.
Dithejane sliding it through for Keita.
Fellow champions, I greet you in the name of champions. Really the first chance already on the ball. Oh, that's gonna be... Barely the tee part has even flicked on hot. That team talk, that setup, it's all going to tatters. Dithejane could still make... Come again, there's a pass to the right. Ditejane's pace is terrifying. That's gotta be the third. Passes it into the back of the net. That was created so